Welcome back to our channel. In this video we explore the world of data visualization. In today's video, we have an exciting assignment at hand. We'll be creating a choropleth map based on the given data of Uttarakhand, representing the density of population in each district. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. To begin, we need a district-wise map of Uttarakhand, clearly outlining the boundaries of each district. This will serve as our canvas for creating the choropleth map. Step 2. Next, we'll assign a color scheme or gradient to represent different levels of population density. For instance, we can use a gradient from light to dark, where light colors indicate low population density, and dark colors indicate high population density. Step 3. In order to make our map more informative, we should create a legend or color scale. This legend will clearly indicate the range of population density values and their associated colors. We can determine the minimum and maximum population densities from the dataset to establish this range. Step 4. Let's take the first district, Haridwar, and locate it on the map. Using the color corresponding to its population density value of 801 from the color scale, we'll fill the district's shape or boundary with that color. Step 5. Now, we repeat step 4 for each district in the dataset. We locate each district on the map and fill its shape with the appropriate color based on its population density value. Step 6. Once we've filled all the districts with their respective colors, our choropleth map is complete. It's amazing to see how the map comes to life with visual representations of population density. Step 7. To enhance the map's clarity, we should add a title or caption indicating the theme, such as population density of Uttarakhand. Don't forget to include other essential information, like the data source and the year the data represents. Step 8. Another important element to include is a scale bar. This will provide viewer with a reference point to understand the relative size of the areas represented on the map. Step 9. Before finalizing the map, it's crucial to review it for accuracy and clarity. Make any necessary adjustments or refinements to ensure the map effectively communicates the population density data. Step 10. Lastly, save the choropleth map in an appropriate file format, such as PNG or JPG, for easy sharing or future use. Congratulations! You've successfully created a choropleth map showcasing the density of population in Uttarakhand's districts. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding how to prepare a choropleth map based on the given data of Uttarakhand. Remember, data visualization is a powerful tool for conveying information in a visually appealing way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks.